In today's video, I will be showing you how to connect your Wii controllers to your Windows 10 PC or laptop. You will need Bluetooth to connect the controllers to your PC or laptop. You can use a Bluetooth adapter if you don't have Bluetooth built in. That's not a problem. You may have already tried doing this through the settings on Windows 10. As you can see, I've got mine up on my screen at the moment, and it won't allow me to bypass the pin screen. If I type in a random number, it just will not connect. It just goes into error. So to add a Wii controller to your computer the proper way, you need to cancel out of all of this. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it and it did help, and also subscribe to the channel. We have almost hit 40,000 subscribers, and that is thanks to all your help, so every subscribe really does help us produce more content. So we now need to go down to the bottom left hand corner and open up the start menu, and you now need to type in control panel. You now need to open control panel, and you now need to click on devices and printers, and you now need to go ahead and click on add a device. We now need to press 1 and 2 on your controller, or you can take off the back of your Wii controller, and then you will then see a little red sync button. Press this button and you will then see Nintendo RVL CNT01. You need to click next, making sure the lights on your controller are still flashing. You will then see an option to enter in a passcode. You do not need to enter in a passcode. If the lights have gone off on your controller, don't panic, just press the number 1 and 2 together again on your controller or press the sync button. I'm going to go ahead and press next now. And as you can see, it's now installing the controller to my machine. Once the install has finished, your controller should be now flashing, and you will see a Nintendo RVL-CNT-01 under devices. We can now go ahead and add the other controller if we want by doing the steps that we just did. We can simply go add a device and then press 1 and 2 on the controller. Straight away, as you can see, it's now found it. I can now click on the device, go next. It will now connect to the Wii controller. Once it has connected to the Wii controller, you will then have the passcode window pop up again. We can go ahead and keep it blank and press next. And it will now install the other Nintendo Wii controller to your machine. And once it's finished installing, you will now see 2 Nintendo RVL-CNT01s under devices. And there we go. That is how to add 2 Wii controllers to your Windows 10 PC or laptop. And they should also both be flashing now, 4 lights, and the other one should be flashing with 3. I hope you really did enjoy this video. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.